Who is Mae Jemison? Do you know the name of the first African American woman to fly in space? Her name is Mae Jemison, and today we are going to learn more about this amazing astronaut. Mae Jemison was born on October 17, 1956, in Decatur, Alabama. Her mother was an elementary school teacher and her father was a maintenance supervisor. Mae's family moved to Chicago, which is where she attended school. Though she had a love for dance and science, Mae was particularly interested in space and the Apollo space flights. At the time, however, there were no female astronauts. There was an old-fashioned belief that space exploration was too dangerous for women. Inspired by her love of space and also by the Star Trek character Lieutenant Uhura, Mae made the goal to one day become an astronaut. In spite of the fact that Mae Jemison was super smart, she still faced discrimination because of her race, gender, and age. You see, Mae was so smart, she started college at the age of 16. She also speaks fluent Russian, Japanese, and Swahili. After she graduated from Stanford with 2 undergraduate degrees and from medical school at Cornell, Mae joined the Peace Corps and volunteered as a medical officer and doctor in Sierra Leone and Liberia. Mae applied to NASA in 1985, but the program was temporarily halted because of the 1986 Challenger Space Shuttle explosion. It was a sad and somber time because it was a reminder that sometimes space travel isn't always safe. After a hiring hiatus, Jemison became one of just 15 applicants chosen to work at NASA in 1987. There were over 2,000 applicants. Because of her education and training, Mae was assigned the position of Science Mission Specialist. She officially became the first Black female astronaut in NASA's history. After training for 5 years, Mae Jemison finally realized her dream on September 12, 1992. She, along with 6 other astronauts, flew aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour. They spent about 190 hours out in space and orbited the Earth 127 times. In 1993, Mae left NASA to pursue other interests in public service. She is the author of several books, including a children's book called Find Where the Wind Goes. And in a full circle moment, Jemison had a guest starring role on Star Trek: The Next Generation, becoming the first real astronaut to appear on the show. And she is the recipient of various honors, awards, and honorary degrees. Of her time as an astronaut, she has said, "I always knew I would go to space." And Mae Jemison certainly made her dream come true. We just learned a lot about Mae Jemison and her legacy. Let's see what you remember. What television show helped inspire Mae Jemison to become an astronaut? Star Trek. True or false? Mae Jemison dealt with discrimination and racism while pursuing her dreams. True. Fill in the blank. On September 12, 1992, the Space Shuttle blank flew Jemison and 6 other astronauts to space and orbited around the Earth 127 times. Endeavour. Well done, friends! Mae Jemison faced some challenging obstacles in her quest to become an astronaut, but she decided to reach for the stars and achieve her goals no matter what. What is your dream? And how can you work hard and persevere just like Mae Jemison? Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.